here is how we can fix quick share not working on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first and foremost, we're gonna go to the settings, open connected devices and choose quick share. Now over here we can choose who can share with you. So if you have the other person in your contacts, then of course you can keep contacts only. However, if you don't have each other in contacts, then you might want to switch to everyone. And here you can also choose to set this option to everyone only for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it will switch back from everyone to the previous option, I believe. But of course, we can also disable that option so you can stay available to everyone until you change it back again manually. So first you can switch to everyone just in case. And the next thing that you can check is to make sure that the show available devices on the share panel option is enabled. And also you can allow sharing over internet. So make sure that these two options are enabled. And in addition to that, you can also check if you use Wi-Fi only, if you actually care about using Wi-Fi only in this case. If not, then it doesn't really matter, but these two are the most important, except for this one as well, of course. So this is the primary choice, and then we have these two additional, also important options. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!